Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today's video is going to be super exciting and incredibly valuable. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $1,000 in just 1 week using Pinterest affiliate marketing. And guess what? You can do it too. You can achieve the same results by following the steps I'm about to share with you. So, if you want to make money online while pinning some pretty cool stuff, stick around for this step-by-step guide. I promise it's going to be worth your time. Oh, and if you stick around until the end of this video, I am giving away some valuable bonus material that you don't want to miss out on, as it can help 10x your success on Pinterest. And trust me, this is beginner-friendly, so no prior experience needed. Whether you're a complete newbie or someone with a bit of experience, you'll find this guide easy to follow. I've made over $1,000 in commissions. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to earn money online. If you are willing to put in the work, it will pay off. And it all came from simply sharing affiliate offers on Pinterest. Crazy, right? But it's true, and I'm going to break it all down for you. Let me show you how you can start doing this today and replicate my success. I'll walk you through each step, from setting up your Pinterest account to finding the best affiliate programs. So grab a coffee, hit the like button if you're ready to learn, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. First, we'll start with setting up your Pinterest account. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. Just go to Pinterest.com and enter in some simple details like your email, create a password, and include your birth date. Or just choose the option to create an account through your Gmail account. And make sure you create a business account, as we are needing the extra analytics and features that it offers versus a personal account. Next, we'll research the best affiliate programs that align with your interests and niche. This is crucial because the right programs can significantly boost your earnings. Then, I'll show you a platform with where and how to create eye-catching pins that attract clicks. Good visuals are key to driving traffic to your affiliate links. We'll also look at how to analyze your Pinterest analytics to understand what's working and what's not. This will help you optimize your strategy for better results. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So roll up your sleeves and let's get you on the path to success. All right, after you have your Pinterest account started, you will now want to choose a profitable niche. This is probably the most important step because, let's face it, not all niches are created equal on Pinterest. You want to pick something that's already popular on the platform. For example, niches like home decor, DIY crafts, fashion, fitness, these are huge on Pinterest. People come here to get inspired, and they love to shop. So, find something that aligns with your interests or that you know has a lot of products to promote. Don't overthink it. Just pick something you're passionate about and that has a large audience on Pinterest. Write down your top 3 to 5 ideas, and let's move on to the next step. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into why niche selection is so crucial. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and certain niches perform better because they naturally lend themselves to visual content. Think about it. People love to see beautiful images of home decor, fashion, and DIY projects. These niches not only attract a lot of traffic, but also have high engagement rates. High engagement means more opportunities for your affiliate links to get clicked. So take your time to research and choose a niche that excites you and has a proven track record on Pinterest. Once you've made your choice, you'll be ready to move forward with confidence. All right, now that you've got your niche, let's move on to the next step. Now that you've got your niche, it's time to find products to promote. This is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey because the products you choose will directly impact your success. You want to make sure you're selecting items that not only align with your niche, but also resonate with your audience. This is where the magic happens. The right products can turn your website into a money-making machine. But how do you find these golden opportunities? I recommend starting with platforms like Amazon or ShareASale because they have a huge variety of products. These platforms are user-friendly and offer a wide range of items, making it easier for you to find something that fits your niche perfectly. Let's say you picked home decor as your niche. This is a popular and evergreen niche with a lot of potential. People are always looking to improve their living spaces, so there's a constant demand for new and stylish home decor items. Just head over to Amazon's affiliate site and search for home decor, and boom, you've got tons of products with commission rates ready to go. Here's a pro tip. Look for high-ticket items. These are products that sell for a higher price, like furniture or appliances. High-ticket items can significantly boost your earnings. Even if you make a small commission percentage, higher-priced items mean bigger payouts. For example, a 5% commission on a $1,000 item is much more lucrative than the same percentage on a $10 item. Once you've found some solid products, make sure to grab your affiliate links and save them. Organize these links in a document or spreadsheet for easy access such as Google Docs. This will save you time and effort when you start promoting these products on your website or social media channels. We're going to use those in the next step. Stay tuned as we dive into how to effectively promote these products to your audience and start earning those commissions. Also, Pinterest does not allow direct affiliate links on their platform, so you will need to create a bridge page so that your links do not get blocked. You can Google Bio Link Tool for multiple options, but one of the most popular is you would then follow the instructions on Linktree on how to add your affiliate links on their site, which is free to do. Once that is done, you would simply share your Linktree link on Pinterest. Once someone clicks that link, it will redirect them back to your affiliate links on your Linktree account. Leave your comments below if you need any further assistance with this setup. Okay, so now you have your affiliate links. Next up, we need to create stunning click-worthy pins. And don't worry, I've got you covered, even if you're not a designer. Canva is an awesome free tool you can use to create professional-looking pins in minutes. Start by choosing a template that fits your niche. For example, if you're promoting home decor, pick something with earthy tones and a clean design. Then add your product images, your affiliate link, and don't forget to write a catchy headline. Make sure the text on your pin is bold and clear. Use words like top 10, best, or affordable. These keywords draw people in. Once you've made a few pins, save them. You'll be uploading them directly to Pinterest with your affiliate links. After uploading, keep an eye on your Pinterest analytics. This will help you understand which pins are performing well. Based on the data, you can tweak your designs and create even better pins. Also, consider scheduling your pins to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Tools like Tailwind can help you automate this process. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be creating eye-catching pins that drive traffic and sales in no time. Step 4. Pinning strategy for maximum visibility. Now that your pins are ready, let's talk strategy. Having a well-thought-out plan is crucial to ensure your pins get the visibility they deserve. Just uploading a pin isn't enough. You need a solid plan to get it seen by thousands. This involves understanding how Pinterest's algorithm works and leveraging it to your advantage. First, optimize your pin description. A well-crafted description can significantly increase the chances of your pin being discovered. Use relevant keywords, like cozy home decor ideas, and make sure to include your affiliate link. Keywords help Pinterest understand what your pin is about and show it to the right audience. Don't forget to add hashtags. Hashtags work similarly to keywords and can further enhance the discoverability of your pins. Pinterest works as a search engine, so keywords and hashtags will help your pins show up when people search for similar ideas. Also, pin frequently. Consistency is key on Pinterest. I try to pin around 5 to 10 times a day to keep my account active. This might seem like a lot, but it helps keep your content fresh and in front of your audience. And here's another tip. Join group boards or Tailwind tribes. These are communities of pinners who share each other's content, which can significantly boost your reach. These communities can boost your pins' reach dramatically because they let others in your niche share your pins with their audiences. This means your pins can be seen by a much larger audience than you could reach on your own. By doing this, your pins can reach way more people, which means more clicks, more affiliate sales, and more money in your pocket. Step 5. Tracking and scaling. Now, let's talk about tracking your progress. Pinterest has a built-in analytics tool where you can see which of your pins are driving the most traffic and affiliate clicks. Check your analytics regularly to see what's working. Once you spot a pin that's getting a lot of engagement, double down. Make more pins around that product or similar items, and you'll start seeing even more clicks and commissions. This is how you scale up. Don't just stop at a few pins. Create more, test different styles, and keep experimenting to maximize your results. Dive deep into your analytics to understand your audience better. Adjust your strategies based on what you learn. Plan your content ahead to stay consistent. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Final tips plus challenge. And that's it. That's how I made over $1,000 in just 1 week using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now it's your turn to shine. I challenge you to try this out for 1 week and come back to this video to share your results in the comments section below. I'll be answering questions down there and helping out anyone who needs it, so don't be shy to ask. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pinning and sharing your affiliate links regularly to see the best results. Also, make sure to track your progress. Use analytics to see which pins are performing the best and focus on those. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It takes time to build momentum, but with persistence, you'll get there. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages to build a loyal following. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear about your success stories. Oh, and before you go, because you stayed until the end, I've put together a free Pinterest affiliate marketing checklist with all the steps from this video so you don't miss a thing. Click the link in the description to grab it, and happy pinning. This checklist will help you stay organized and maximize your earnings. Check it out in the description of this video. Don't miss out. Download it now and start seeing results.